Okay, 5 seconds. 2, 1, go. So these guys are starting their third round of this. 20 seconds plank walk up, 20 seconds sit-ups, 20 seconds rest, 4 times through. It's actually a pretty brutal little effort here. Good, get it. And rotate, oh, sorry, keep on going. And rotate. All the way up, touch your heels. Shoulders and heels, good. Sprint. And rest. Good. Okay, 2, 1, and go. Okay, this is that second core circuit here. 20 seconds, Russian triangle, 25-pound plate. And EOs. Five seconds, keep fighting. And rest. Good, one more.